Okay, so welcome muli sa ating lesson 8. So this is lesson 8 sa 10, no? So we still have 8, 9, 10. So ang key natin ngayon is key of A. Yan. So left hand, octave. Right hand, C sharp, E and A. That's A. Okay. Next key is E. Okay, lower E, octave, A flat, B and E. That's E. And then next key is F sharp. So F sharp, octave, and then we have A, C sharp, and E. Pwede mo lagyan dito kung kaya ng kamay mo. That's F sharp minor. So far, A, E, F sharp minor, and then the next key is D. Lower D, octave, right hand is F sharp, A and D. D yan. Okay. So far, A, E, F sharp minor, D. So yung chord progression na yan, napakaraming kantang gawin yan. Pwedeng magawa yan. Okay. So for example, the key of a song na ito. Ikaw na mag-isip kung anong pwede mong gawing kanta. Pero maraming kanta yan. Okay, so kung gusto mong dagdagan ng key, yung chord progression na to, kasama rin dyan yung B minor. B, lower B, octave, sa right hand D, F sharp, and A. B minor. Okay? Kasama yan sa key of A progression. The next key would be your left hand, C sharp, octave, and then E, A flat, and B. C sharp minor yan. Okay? Balik uli ng D, and then E, A. Okay, so kung tutugtugin natin ng buo yan, isa pa. Tapos yun. So, that would be the key of A. So, that would be chord progression natin is A, E, F sharp minor, D, ulit-ulit lang yon, and then B minor, C sharp minor, D, E, and A. Okay, so pwede rin yung goodness of God yan eh. Diba? Itong kantang ito. Paano ba yung tono ng goodness of God? I love you, Lord. Na 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 na. Diba? Oh na na. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I will sing in the goodness of God. Ayan, chorus na. All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. And every breath that I am able, I will sing in the goodness of God. See, umiikot lang, di ba? I will sing. So once na master mo yan, pwede mong paglaruan yung mga key niya. So I suggest, masterin mo lang yung chord progression yan. Ikot-ikot ka lang dyan. Kahit saan dyan. And then later on, makakagawa ka na ng maraming song related dito sa mga chord na to. Okay, so yan ang ating lesson for today. Key of A. So we still have 2 lessons to go. Bye.